Hello everyone, it's Monika here and welcome to my little craft corner. So I was inspired by Sherry Simon Crafts who shared her space, her desk and what's on her desk, and she started up this hashtag what's on my desk, and she's encouraging everyone to show what we are having on our desk. And just a few minutes ago I actually watched Jenny Ginger Ninja Crafts, and she was sharing hers. So I thought before it will get absolutely dark, I will record my space. So this is my corner. It's actually in the corner of our bedroom, and on the left hand side my husband has his corner desk. So we do share this space together. So let me bring you closer so you can have a look what's in here. So this is my desk. I've got quite a lot of things are actually from most of things are from IKEA. So I've got Kallax here, which is actually 2 by 3, and another one up there, over there, and it's from the bottom to the ceiling. As you can see, a lot of things over here. And I actually did that last year. I got a few storage units from IKEA, and I got this work top which is adjust to the Kallax, and it's on I think it's Alex drawers from IKEA as well, and I think the length is a meter and 20 centimeters. So it's not a big space, but I think that was enough so I could still have access to our window in between our desks. So on this side I've got this storage. This is from Totally Tiffany. It's from they have it on a Crafters Companion website. So it's really it's like a made of canvas, and you've got spaces to put some things. So over here I've got this tool, to pokey tool with a brush for my cutting dies. I've got some different rulers. I've got my mini scoreboard, and I've got also one of my stamping platforms. This one is by We Are Memory Keepers. Oops, apologies. It's not easy to maneuver everything with one hand. So this is the old one. And I've got another one which is just below here. And this is from a Craft Stash. I love this one, and that's the one I'm using quite often now. Over here I've got those this is from Totally Tiffany as well. This is it's like a bag where you can put 8 by 8 paper pads, and these are texture cards from Crafters Companion. This is my old Gemini A4 die cutting machine, and of course I need to keep this like that. I've got a full box of craft o'clock papers. Oh, I shouldn't show you this. It's something which you shouldn't see yet. I've got some scissors, big ones from Crafters Companion, and this one is which I got recently. I found this on cardboard and I really wanted to have it. I keep my brushes here. These ones are from AliExpress, and I recently got those from Temu, the small ones, and I love those as well, and these are very handy. And this summer I got myself this Gemini 2, which is really nice. I love that you can actually put some things here on both sides actually, and you can open the top and you can put your your tablet or a mobile and watch while you craft actually. And there is some storage here as well. And once you close everything, it looks nice and neat, and it's much better than the old version, and I love this one so much. And I thought I wanted to try this Gemini mini with this plastic folder, which is very handy, and the plastic folder for cutting dies, it's actually it's bending quite fast, so I'm not sure if you would like it, but I like it anyway. And on my desk you can actually find some autumn paper pads, autumn cutting dies, because last evening I was looking for some things because I'm going to do some Easter autumn swaps. I'm going to do two, so I really needed to find something, and I was looking for this particular paper pad, pumpkin patch from Range. We went last weekend to two of them and I couldn't find them. They are all sold out on the website, and in the shops we couldn't find them as well, so I found those in my stash, and I got those stickers, and this small paper pad from the works. So I'm sure that should be enough for the swaps I want to do. So then I've got some washi tapes, which some of them I got from Emma Lou Loves, and for example, I think this one I got on Cardboard. Again, this is a plate I use sometimes to put some things I prepared when I record my videos, and at the moment I've got some things. For example, I've got this card from Emma, which is like a reminder because I need to do that challenge she nominated me to do. I've got some of those hearts from Jessica. I've got some jewelry, which my daughter Natalia made for me. Wax seal from Emma, the heart paper clip as well, and those little bead froggies made by Natalia as well. So let me show you what's on my desk. I've got those two sets of drawers, which I really wanted to decorate, paint it, or do something, but I haven't done it yet because of course always busy with other projects. So this is how it looks like. I've got this backboard from IKEA, again filled with things. On the top shelf you can discover some of the cards project I was given by some of you. I can see Anne Lane, Kim Kelly, Emma, that's from Emma. This one I think is from Alex. I have to remind myself. Yes, that's from Alex. I've got something from oh, you can't see it now, a tag from, I think this is from Andrea. I've got some from Ashley, from Monika again. This one is, I hope I'm not going to lose anything, let me, Margaret Flaxman, and yeah, little bits and pieces, because you know it's nice to have something like a mood board, and I probably there are so many different things behind that as well, but I'm not going to move that because it will probably fall. So I've got some of my projects here as well. So this one is the heart I've done for Craft O'Clock. This one is from with a relatively thoughtful collection. That's Craft O'Clock behind it as well. So on the top here I've got some waxes. I've got some paper clips, wooden paper clips. I've got some mini beads. I've got some glitter paint, flower soft. I've got those Pink Fresh Studio gems over here, 3 pouches, and these are from Temu. These are very similar, just different colors, so I love them as well. Over here I've got some those magnets from Crafty Seas, and these ones are made by my daughter. Some inspiration from last year, I kept it here. This one I received from this one arrived from Poland, actually, from a lady who owns an online shop. I was designing for her as well for many years, and I kept it there. So this is really nice, pretty Christmas inspiration for me. Magicals, powders. I've got some, these are shimmer powders from Tonic Studio, Cosmic Shimmer, Pixie powders. Below I've got some vintage Nouveau, vintage drops, Nouveau drops, and other bits and pieces, more pixie powders over here. I've got some scissors. I prefer, I don't know how about you, but I prefer Crafter's Companion, although I would combine two of them. I would take the blade from Crafter's Companion and the handle from Tim Holtz. I've got my butterfly, which I had for many years. I've got my distressing tool. This is the rose I received from Anne, and bits and pieces. Distress oxides here. Oh, let me step back a bit. Behind the normal distress inks, some rubber, small acrylic block, rubber for removing glue, my ever favorite VersaFine color in black. I love this ink pad. It's just such gives very nice crisp impressions, so I love that one. Glossy accent, color glue, magic glue. I've got this glossy highlights from Crafter's Companion. I love my little box with, I don't want to drop anything, a little box filled with sequins, which I use a lot. So this is what I use. I keep things which I use often, so like bone folders. I've got two of them which I really like, and this clear overlay is like a Wing of Stella from Crafter's Companion, and this one is actually Wing of Stella. I think it's empty. I didn't realize that I still have it here, or maybe it's not. Anyway, things I use often: pencils, pens, black Sharpie, acrylic block, bits and pieces more, pearls and gems, different sizes. Yeah, lots of them, so I keep them here, all those bits and pieces, and you know, other things which I find it handy, like this poke tool. This one is from actually Anne. So over here I've got some spare inks for my printer, Velcro dots. Over here a drawer with washi tapes, because it's completely full. I have to keep them on the side and find a place for them. Embossing powders. Over here I keep all the floral cutting dies, so all the flowers and maybe some leaves. This one is completely filled up and it's so hard to open now, because I keep all my wax seal beads and all the stamps and things like that in here. So it's completely full up, and that's my reminder for the autumn swap, what I need to do. And usually this is all covered with post-it notes, reminders what to do. Mixture of things, random bits and pieces, some ATC I received, washi tape I received that one as well. So lots of different things. Did I show you what's in the random things? Random things and more inks from different brands. I don't use them that often. Let me move my coffee over here. I've got some die cuts, and yeah, that's from Emma. Lots of die cuts, very old ones actually. Over here I keep my different lace, different sizes, and small ribbons as well, because I keep bigger ones somewhere else. Did I show you this one? Yes. That's my coffee for later. It's probably cold because I messed up when I was recording for the first time, and this is my second take actually. So what else I can show you? On the side I keep all the Crafter's Companion inks. So the top shelf has the quick drying inks, water reactive inks, and this one is mixture. For example, if I need to have alcohol proof ink or waterproof ink, and over here. This is a pile of things I need to put away. For example, I got those little tiny highlighters from my mother-in-law. They're so super cute. And this is the one I showed you in my haul from Poland. It's like an album, but I wanted to keep all the die cuts I had lying around on my desk, so that's what I did. I'm keeping them here, and it's good. It works for me. Some other bits and pieces I bought recently. Oh, look at those cute paper clips and other things. So let me put this away to the side, and I will show you when I started card making. That's how I kept and where I kept. That's how much cutting dies I had when I started, well, at the beginning of my journey, and I kept them on those mats with magnetic sheets, and it's like a thicker card with magnetic sheet, and that's how I kept. And it was very handy to just flick through and see. And then I started to keep them in original packaging. So this is a box full of my old cutting dies, but I love the box. And those three are for things I need to have handy. So these are the small parts and some notebook. And the second one is filled with cutting dies, which are quite handy if I need to do some samples for Crafter's Companion. And actually this one should be, but the cutting die should go here, because that's the one with cutting dies. This one is with stamps, usually sentiments. Anyway, I think it's mixed up still, because I didn't tidy this one up after, because I sent off some samples yesterday, and I still have to do tidy up everything. So this is how I keep my stamps and cutting dies, which are very handy and which I'm using the most. The other ones are here in this big storage over here. So what else? This is my desk, and below my desk I've got like a little shelves filled with small 6x6 paper pads, some boxes with flowers, and these how do you call them, chipboards? Yeah, box filled with chipboards. This is my very first die cutting machine cutter bag. I think it's the best. And this is how I keep and where I put all the scraps pieces of paper, for example white craft and black, which I think I might still use. So that's where they go. I keep them, like for example this one it's filled with white, and I've got some blacks and other colors as well, just main colors. And this is the punch board, which I use to do envelope boxes, because that's what I use to create those. And what else? On the side I've got more paper pads and some I've got a trimmer, and I've got a scoreboard for creating boxes. So I think that's it, because I think this video is quite long and my hand hurts. So this is what's on my desk. So if you can show us what's on your desk, maybe what you're working on right now, and remember about the hashtag which you're going to see in the title. So thank you so much for watching, and let me know what do you think about this space. Take care. Bye.